So today we're back in the Jabiru J2 based on the Mercedes Sprinter all-wheel drive in the long wheelbase. So thinking 7.1 metres. Showcasing again our EcoFlow 48 volt electrical system. So we're going to see our induction cooktop, convection microwave oven, and then finally some outdoor barbecuing. Welcome back to the next episode of Cooking with TRAKKA. Now that we're moving into some warmer weather, we're going to keep it fresh and light, starting with a salad, a New York style salad inspired by Natalie Chazé. Let's crack in. So for the salad, we've got some kale, red apple, radish, a heap of grated Parmesan cheese, and then we're going to toast some natural pecans in the convection microwave. For the dressing, we've got olive oil, apple cider vinegar, Dijon mustard, drizzle of honey, and some beautiful salt flakes. Then on the outside electric barbecue, we're going to do some chicken thighs with the Greek lemon seasoning. And then we're going to do some quinoa if we want a carbohydrate to go with it. So first up, we're going to marinate our chicken thighs. I've just got a dash of olive oil and we're just going to chuck those right in. Seasoning, and you can be quite gentle. We can go to the other side. We can be quite generous with that. And we'll just mix it through. We're going to get our convection microwave oven preheating as we're going to toast some pecan nuts. So we're going to convection, get it up to 180, start, and we'll notice it's preheating now. So if you're after something a little bit more substantial, we can do a little side of quinoa. So approximately half a cup, and then double water, whatever you've put in of the quinoa. So whilst our quinoa's on the boil, we're going to dress our kale just to soften it with the acid in the apple cider vinegar. So we're going to start with about 1/3 of a cup of olive oil. We've got some organic apple cider vinegar, which will give a good dollop of. Dijon mustard. Nice sprinkle of salt flakes and drizzle of honey for a bit of sweetness. I'm just gonna try not to make too much mess. So now we've got that. You want to just massage that through. So just like our convection microwave inside, the Ninja electric barbecue also has a preheat function, so we'll get that cracking. So we're going to flip them over, and I've just turned it down to low for the second side, just so we don't overcook. So on the output side of things at the moment, you can see we're sitting quite high. We're running induction cooktop, convection microwave, and electric barbecue all at one time. So we've got a nice clear reading here as to what items we're using. So whilst the chicken's cooking, we're going to finish off our salad. We're going to roast our pecans in our convection microwave, which is now preheated. And then we're going to finish off our ingredients for the salad. Remembering bench tops are heat resistant, so no problem putting them straight down. Straight back into the oven. So they can all go in. You want a decent sprinkling of Parmesan. Ooh. Oof.